Hi, this is Gregory Jackson for GrebJack.com. Welcome to my 5th RPG Maker MV tutorial, which I am calling Climbing Down. As mentioned at the end of the last tutorial, this time I will be demonstrating the use of a rope to climb down a pit that is inaccessible without it. If you have not worked through tutorials 2 through 4 yet, I recommend stopping this video and doing so now. This tutorial references elements from them, and it would be best if we stay on the same page. If you have worked through tutorials 2 through 4, open the project we've been working on and we'll get started. Start by switching to Map 1. Add a 3x3 tile area of cobblestone A. Around it, add some stone fence posts. In the middle of the cobblestone area, create a new event. Let's name this event Rope Pit and give it a second tab. On tab 1, double-click the image box. Scroll down and select Tileset B. Select the Open Pit tile and click OK. Set priority to Same as Characters and make sure that Trigger is set to Action button. Under Contents, set up a conditional branch for If Party has Rope. Include an Else branch and click OK. Under If Party has Rope, put the command to turn on Self Switch A. Under Else, put a text command that says something like, "Some rope would be useful here." Now switch to tab 2. Under Conditions, check the box next to Self Switch and make sure it is set to A. Double-click the image box. Scroll down and select Tileset B. Select the pit tile with the rope hanging down and click OK. Make sure that priority is set to Below Characters and Trigger is set to Action button. Click OK to save and close the event. We'll come back to it in a minute. Create a new map under Map 1. Name it Vault. Set Display Name to Underground Vault. Use the Dungeon tile set. Set Width to 5 and Height to 7. Click OK. Fill in the floor with cobblestones A. Draw the border with the top tile of wall I, stone. Draw the back wall with the bottom tile of wall I, stone. Draw a single tile of cobblestones A, ruins, in the top center of the floor area. This spot is under the pit entrance, so it makes sense for it to be more weathered. Switch to Tileset B. Draw the bottom end of the rope on the top of the ruined cobblestone tile, and the top end of the rope 2 tiles above it. Now place a chest with 100 gold in it. Now, just like we did with Cave 2 in the last tutorial, using the middle of the rope as its graphic, create an event to transfer the player to Map 1 above the rope pit. Now we need to link the rope pit with the underground vault. Switch to Map 1, edit the rope pit event. On tab 2, under Contents, create a Transfer Player event that links to the vault map below the rope event we just set up. And now we are ready to playtest. Head to the rope pit event. At this point, the only thing that should happen is getting a message about needing a rope. Go through the usual hoops until you get the rope. Return to Map 1. This time, when you click on the rope pit event, the rope appears. Climb down into the underground vault, get the gold from the chest, and leave the vault. Now, in the last tutorial, I had said that both the torch and the rope would be removed when used, but to this point, that is not the case. Edit the rope pit event. On tab 1, under Contents, click the Control Self Switch command, and hit Enter to create a new command. On tab 1, under Party, click Change Items. Set Item to Rope, Operation to Decrease, and Constant to 1. Then click OK. Now switch to Map 3 and make the same sort of adjustment to the Burnable Bush event commands so that the torch will be removed. If you run the playtest again, the rope and torch will now be removed from inventory when used. This concludes Tutorial 5. Before ending this video, I want to leave you with a little tip. While there is no specific rule regarding this, the things I've shown in Tutorials 2 through 5 should be scattered throughout your game world. I would say no more than one secret of any type on a single map. I did it in this series for demonstrational purposes. If you have a large world with lots of maps, scattering your secrets will encourage exploration. Regarding consumable key items, it is entirely up to you as to whether you want them purchasable or as treasure items to be found. One negative to having them purchasable is that the player could stock up on them and always be able to find the secrets they uncover. Making them findable as treasure and kept in proportion to the number of secrets to discover is another encouragement for players to explore. If they find a key item, then somewhere in the game world there will be a secret to uncover. For GrebJack.com, this is Gregory Jackson, thanking you for watching.